Minister Miyot kum Ruth Jena Cheng tieki chwe chwenye kum dana matia chuli sub-region PGM chiaro kanongo yara gwera mi COVID-19. En wajani ki plan pagamente yono tieni kimiro ke gwe dana maromo aliba bungwen mafud mwaka putum ente noni ya chuli sub-region pola dano tieka jemo mapigi tieka ikamo yara gwera man. La choch pa One Luo TV, David Okemo Beridiba, kele walok mandong kore ki kore.
Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng matie minister maneno lokum yotkum ilobo Uganda utionyo tuchwe chunye maliet totwal iketma district mati ya Chole sub-region pegitik fere kajolo yara gwera mektuo COVID-19. Acheng unyoro chwe chunye ikare me yapo agwera lumuro ikumtuo corona pikumalo me Uganda iyuk mautime ki odyat matit megulu ichia ngwen. Acheng kono ulego lutera meripo chengi kaluongo luak mapol weko bin kanongo yara gwera pituo COVID-19.
Why? When I look at the health workers that I have lost, the most senior are from Acholi sub-region. Have you heard me? It pains my heart. That's why in the boardroom I don't talk. I only have problems with two sub-regions. Acholi sub-region and Busoga sub-region. Today as we talk, we have more than 15 million doses of vaccines. 15 million. By the end of December 31st, we shall have received another 17 million. That's about 32 million doses. Adequate for the over 22 million people. So what is our problem? We are here, Amuru district is not even prepared. Is that a DC Amuru here? And yet Amuru is the exit route. Every time infection builds up in Acholi sub-region, the source is Amuru. Now, my RDCs and LC5 chairperson, can you make a deliberate effort, all of you, to converge in Amuru and campaign seriously in Amuru and get everyone there vaccinated.
La dit matikador ot yat madit megulu Dr. James Elima wajane gitik yat mapol ikare man kono do omiaragi medkero meluongo dano mapol yakobien kanongo yat.
We have so far received 1,100,000 vaccines, both for first round and the campaign. So I think we just have to emphasize on the uptake of vaccine. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Minister, I'm fully vaccinated. I was vaccinated, actually it's coming close to 1 year, and I've never run a marathon. I'm performing very well everywhere, in office, at home.
Kitungchel Douglas Peter Okelo Ukao matie won komea beach Piomoro district Maochung Bene mekaka wegi komea beach duju pia Acholi district uchiak kebod minister ni gibiri puchengi menero ni kiberu kikero menong weldan mapol kiet ma ministry meyotkom tikamirone ni guno agwera ki loba Acholi.
I want to make a commitment on behalf of the district chairperson and the city mayor that as Acholi sub-region, we will achieve the target given to us as Acholi sub-region. Our target is 900,000 people, but if we are possible, we also want to hit 1 million as Acholi sub-region, so that we go beyond the target by the ministry.
Kero tijme au center dushu tie ameti ulak to ping dushu meneno ni vaccine tie achoki dano mogo ti chuk mogo ti kanisa mogo tie ti city kanor don kekena me jo tie meneno ni jo obwere amito kwayo district meneno ni joma butegu obwere gen yen kombedi ya Acholi kan jo ame otegu anon nok to twala me ogwere ento tuo corona tie yipachiwa joni yen beru pashu kape ogwere geni tuo amakogi pete bera be
ministry malo yot kum kono ikare ni omiyo chabira chel district mayor chori meneno ni kugwero dano maromo alip 100 ya gwera lumugo ma ochake ichapet man agwera lumugo man kono tieme yupe we president Yoweri Museveni beti kare me yapu wogo lobo Uganda bebera konya and David Ukema